This is a test to see how I sound and how my recording is for installing the software on a newly formatted Mac running Catalina, which is version 10.15, I think. So I'll open up my terminal. I like to use iTerm because of all the little extra plugins it has. I find it useful to split screens and things like that. And you can set up things like transparency and stuff. But that's just not here nor there. So make this decent size so you can see. So I'm going to install Homebrew, which is a package manager for Mac and Linux. I like it because it just makes things way easier to install instead of going to the website, downloading it, double-clicking, installing, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to go to Homebrew's site, and it gives you a simple instruction here. So I'm going to copy-paste this guy into my terminal, which is here. I'll make this big like this, and I'll just paste that in there. Looks like it's created in Ruby. So it's going to install all this goodness and hit return. And I'll put in my local password, and it'll do its magic. And of course, just give me feedback if the audio is okay. I do have a fan running in the background and people talking in the house, so I'll edit that bit out. Okay, so that's Homebrew. It's installed, and we can check. Actually, I'll just go ahead and install Node. And I think it's just yeah, I want to install Node via Homebrew. So we can do clear to get rid of all this. And we'll do brew install node, which will install the current version, I believe, of NodeJS. So you can check that on the website. NodeJS.org, and it should install 12. I guess we'll see. I don't like to do super bleeding edge for personal projects because I think it's just a little easier. I've run into issues in previous work where the newest version caused problems and there weren't any bug fixes for the issue I was having, so I decided to use the long-term version. Okay, and that looks pretty good, hopefully. So now we can do node-v to find the version of Node installed, which is 13. So it does install the current version, which is the one with latest features. But I guess you can choose whichever version you want in a different way. There's so many ways to install Node that you just kind of pick your favorite. And then it should install npm as well, which is Node's package manager. Looks like that's version 6.13. So yeah, that's easy enough, and that's why I like Homebrew. It's like pretty simple to install stuff.